Understood. Can I get up? Yeah, everywhere. Up, down, left, right. Shorty's moving again. Shorty's loose with the pen. Shorty do with the wind.
Alright boys, it's like minus 40 right now. I'm trying to get this car started. It's going through one hell of a cold start right now. Alright boys. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, shoot. I'm running out of cranking amps, man. This thing needs some ether or something. Alright, boys. Got some good old O'Reilly's brake clean. About to spray this in the old intake, eh? Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it, boys. Oh yeah. Let's see if that does it, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Oh, come on. Ah. Come on. Ah, shoot. I just killed the battery, man. Oh my goodness. Alright boys, this greasy sucker ain't gonna start, man. I tried everything, the battery's bone dead now, so I gotta hook it up to the charger. But in the meantime, yeah.